Welcome back to Teach Me Money Methods. In this quick video, I'm going to be going over the best place to find high quality PLR or private label rights content. So we're going to be showing you a great place to find high quality PLR. I just started using this actually. And so let's jump in real quick. So the place is plr.me. And as you know, there are so many places that you can actually get PLR content. I have and still use also on a daily basis BigProductStore. Now this is a great place to kind of get your daily private label rights content, and they have some high quality stuff in here. I like it because you're able to go to products, and if you're looking for audios or graphics or WordPress plugins, ebooks, videos, software, articles pack, you're able to narrow it down by the type. I like its simplicity, so it doesn't it doesn't get too specific. It's just some top categories, and then you can go to browse products. And I use this site, and what I like is you can sign up for a one-time membership, and so you don't ever have to pay again, and that's really great, right? And they're always uploading today's. They just uploaded this one June 22nd. And so that one just got uploaded, and yesterday that was uploaded, the day before. So they upload at least a piece of content or two every single day to the site, and it's been going on for years and years and years. So that's a good one. But if you want to really take it to the next level and get some custom, high quality PLR content, I mean, you can just look at the website is, second to none, and they just have really high quality stuff. So you can go over here and you can create, you just go to the home page. It'll say done for you PLR content for coaches that you can brand as your own. So, you have a brand in all kinds of different niches. We're going to look at that in a second. And you just create your account. You'll go to the create your account process. You'll put in your name and your email and all that stuff. And it's very simple. It takes 10 seconds to sign up. Now they do have different, like a credit-based system, and then they have monthly memberships as well. And it looks like right now they are, not sure at the time that you're going to be watching this, if this is going to be available or not, but it looks like they have a Prime sale, that ends on June 22nd. So you probably will miss this sale by the time the video comes out. So I'm not going to make a big deal out of that, because I am pre-recording my videos a few days in advance. But anyways, so if we come over here, and once you sign up, you can come over to the products section and look at all the different topics and categories. You can go to popular PLR products. You can go to new PLR products. We'll go check out those, but look at the popular categories, right? So you have anxiety, depression, and panic attacks. You have confidence, self-esteem, and self-care, business and marketing, career and job, dating, relationships, goal setting and achievement, inspirational graphics and wallpapers. If you're selling on Etsy, you can probably find some really good stuff in here. Let's go back. Let's go check that out real quick. I'm going to just click on that, and it'll take us over to that section. And you can just tell it's different than most. They have really high quality stuff. So confidence, self-esteem, and self-care bundle, confidence, success, wealth, and prosperity, and a self-improvement bundle. And you can come down here, and it looks like they have 3,000. So these are just the featured content bundles. We'll come check that out. But I like how you can find all kinds of different stuff in the categories inside of this niche. And then you have like wallpapers. We're looking at wallpapers right here, articles and blog posts, affirmations, checklists, reports. I mean, you can do so much stuff with this, with the content that they're creating over here. And then right here, over 3,000 PLR products to choose from inside of just this niche alone. So really, really good stuff. I mean, you can just see even just the cover art. Nobody can be uncheered with a balloon. So, I mean, look at this one. Like if we click on this and we want to sell this, you can look at the terms for each item, but you should be able to use this wall art, post that on Etsy, and they have all kinds of different, I mean, look at this. They have all kinds of different mock-ups, right, for this. And that is something that you would see like on Etsy right here, right, on the wall. People, they have a poster right here, and they could print that and put it on their wall because it's motivating and all that good stuff. So that's just that product alone. And come back over here. Let's push the back button. This is kind of neat. They have an upcoming holidays and events calendar as well right here. And you can kind of look through the sections, and then the parenting and family 5 bundle, attitude and perception, natural health and safety. And you can see inside here, there's 120 products, a part of this bundle. So you could pick up this entire bundle of 120 products and you're going to get a discount on it, a 30% discount for picking up the bundle, right? And you can come in here. I mean, here's all the products. Topics include, look at all this. It's like a business in a box, and it's just one thing you're buying, right? And here's another great one as well. So really, this is a great site for you to go check out. It is a little bit more on the pricier side compared to, going with some of the other PLR websites, but you will be putting out high quality content that your subscribers and customers will actually appreciate because they've never seen it before. And so that's what will separate you from the competition. You have meditation, reflection, and journaling, money management, budgeting, credit and debt. That's a really good one. Motivation and passion, natural health and safety, parenting, savings and investing in real estate, self-improvement, stress management, success, wealth, and prosperity, time management and procrastination, weight loss and fitness. And then, different productivity types. You can get checklists in here. You can get worksheets and slide deck presentations, courses and coaching, articles, affirmations, and action guides. So, and then you can view all categories right there. And then you can go and check out the new PLR products that are just hitting on the site that just got released. And we'll come down here. Well, there's 15,000 products right here. And I believe, let's see if it's sorted by new. So we are on new right here. So this stuff just came out, how to create your own highly effective mastermind group. I mean, if you're in a niche that would appreciate something like that, I mean, look at it just came out and look at this. Look at all the stuff you get. How to create your own highly effective mastermind group slide deck. So you're going to get like a PowerPoint presentation that you can make videos out of, or you can do handouts like this. That's what it looks like on the phone, and so forth. So, I don't see any other sites putting out this kind of content and making it, like it's high premium content. PNG, JPEG, PowerPoint, Keynote, and PDF versions. So, and then here's the sample. Check this out. So sample, and then here is what all the slide presentation. This could be like a 30-minute presentation if you wanted to give this up, or you could break it into 5-minute videos and make 5 or 6 videos out of it. But look at all that. You could add in your own stuff, but the hard work is done. The meat is done, right? Usage tips. Every coach needs several administrative forms, contracts, planners, and worksheets to help with managing clients' billing and the usual business activities. It's brandable handout, and it's yours to use on your site. Of course, it's ready to brand as your own. Add your logo, tweak it a bit, or transform the format entirely. Transform it into another language to develop an international presence. It's all possible when you use brandable content. So there you go. Done for you content at your fingertips. So I recommend you checking that out. I haven't checked the tools section out. So there's a WordPress plugin, content auto loader. You can go check that out. A duplicate content examiner, WordPress swipe and deploy. There's a virtual fax machine, image animator, a PayPal link generator, content marketing tools. There's an auto slide deck, coaching email templates, content summarizer, image brander, PDF brander, perfect email formatter, product showcase, video sales letter generator. I'm going to click on that one just to check it out. Video sales letter generator. There's a video explaining it. And I don't know if you use this based on credits or if you get to use this. Looks like it's going to use PowerPoint and break up all the text and all that. So yeah, watch the video on that. Maybe they give you access to this just for signing up. Not sure, or if it costs credits each time you do it. So that's it. PLR.me. I will leave a link in the description, and I will see you in my next video.